mysterious loud noises heard in many parts of China, causing public panic. On June 4th and 5th, 2025, mysterious loud noises were reported across multiple regions in China, including Guangxi, Shaanxi, and Shandong, with some residents' tempered glass windows shattering due to the vibrations. Authorities denied any aerial drills or explosions, and the exact cause remains unclear. On the morning of June 5th, residents in at least 5 counties in Guilin, Guangxi, including Quanzhou and Lingui, reported sudden loud noises from the sky, causing widespread panic. Videos captured by residents indicated that the sounds originated on the air. A resident from Shitang Town, Quanzhou County, told the media that around 1 p.m., a loud bang was heard, strong enough to shatter his tempered glass windows, suggesting significant vibrational force. Online videos showed traces of an aircraft in the sky during the